Okay, for this lesson, for the pumpkin, I want you to go ahead and use Sumo Paint if you haven't learned it already. Okay? Sumo Paint is an online website that you can use to create paint. So go ahead and type Sumo Paint in your Google search engine. It's going to take you to this first link. It's called sumopaint.com. Go ahead and click it. You're going to try it online. It's free. Don't worry. You don't even need to sign up. Just go ahead and click Open. It's going to take you to the Sumo painting homepage. Here you can go ahead and start creating your pumpkin however you want it. You know, you can go ahead and create it, put a stem, go ahead and put some eyes. You get to create your pumpkin, okay? However you want to. You can change the color right here. Change it. I'm having some trouble changing my color, but yeah, if you can figure it out, by all means, go for it. There you go. Change your color. Press OK, and you should be able to change your color. Alright, I've already started mine right here. You can use the pencil one right here to go ahead and draw more straight lines. You can go ahead and change your diameter of the pen that you want to use for finer lines, however you want to do it. I've gone ahead and made my pumpkin, your assignment is to do 3 right triangles and to measure 2 of each of their 3 sides. So we're going to go ahead and do that here. My example is I'm going to use 5 inches. I'm going to use inches for all of these. This one is going to be 12 inches, and my last one, or my second one, is going to be, let's do 3 centimeters. I said I was going to do inches, but I'm going to do all units, okay? This one's going to be in centimeters. 3 centimeters. I'm going to say this one's 4 centimeters. You're making up these sides, by the way. You can do whatever you want. Maybe this one I'll do, I don't know, 15 inches. This one I'll do 4 inches. Okay? And then the last sides you're going to find by solving. Okay? I'm going to call this one H1. I'm going to call this one H2. And I'm going to call this one H3. Stands for hypotenuse 1, hypotenuse 2, and hypotenuse 3. And then either on the side or on a separate sheet of paper or even a separate Word document, you're going to go ahead and solve. So H1, we want to solve for it. My Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, that's my formula. Let's go ahead and solve for H1. Well, if my a is 5, I have 5 squared plus my b is 12 inches, it's going to be 12 squared, and that's going to equal my c squared, my h1 squared. Okay? Solve for this, I get 25 plus 144 equals same thing. Alright, 25 plus 144 is, well, let's add them together, we get 169. Okay? Equals same thing, h1 squared. Alright, we gotta solve for h1. So what do? We square root both sides. And we get 13 is equal to h1 squared, or h1. Okay? I'm going to plug that in right here, and that is my answer. 13, oh, and this was in inches, so it's 13 inches. Alright, go ahead and do that for all of your 3 right triangles. Show your work either on the side or on the triangle itself. Then you're going to go ahead and copy this. On the Mac, my print screen is Command Shift, and then I can press 4 to clip a certain portion of it. And that's going to go ahead and save it. Then I'm going to go and save this. Save it anywhere you want. We'll press done. That saves it right here in my desktop. Okay. Now I can go to my Google Classroom, go to the website. Yours should be called Pumpkin Pythagorean Painting. Okay. You're going to go ahead and just turn it in right here. You're going to go to your assignment. Yours is going to look different. You're going to go ahead and click upload and then save your picture. Alright, that's pretty much all you have to do. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on Monday.